My name is William Solomon. I'm the founder and the CEO of the ACMA, the Accreditation Council for Medical Affairs. What's having the biggest impact on pharma in terms of administrative policies and things like that, I would say probably right now what we're worried about, from what I'm hearing and talking to different pharma companies, and I work with probably about 900 pharma companies, the ACMA does, is probably the tariffs. And they're worried about how those tariffs long-term might impact manufacturing and pricing. I think that's one big area. The second big area, I would say, is some of the stuff that RFK Jr. is trying to do at HHS. So focusing on the vaccines especially, and trying to look at, what's appropriate in terms of giving patients vaccines. I mean, for a long time, we've had kind of a cadre or a mix of different vaccines we give everybody. And I know just today in the news, they actually had a release that basically he got rid of 17 different people in the vaccine committee and replaced them with a bunch of other people. So the concern is, are those people biased maybe in a way that's anti-vaccine, and what is that going to mean for pharma? And then the last area I would say is related to accelerated drug approvals. Last week, the commissioner of the FDA announced the priority vouchers. So giving priority vouchers to pharma companies to accelerate approvals of different drugs in different areas, rare disease, oncology, et cetera. I think for pharmaceutical companies, that's really important because that's going to shorten the window of time that they have to launch a drug. Remember, before it used to be, for example, if you were going to hire medical science liaisons, you bring them in a year to 18 months before the drug is launched. But now that time frame is shortened to 1 to 2 months. So now if you're a pharma company, you've got to be that much better when it comes to drug launches, right? So I think those three things come to mind for me, in terms of a lot of the things that I'm hearing from pharma manufacturers in terms of what's top of mind to them.